Hello and welcome to CreArtive by Nature. My name is Donna. For today's first gnome DIY, I'm going to be using this flour sack towel from Dollar Tree, and it has a cute little gnome on it. I'm going to be removing the tag from that, and then I am going to be gluing the top and bottom edges together. Today I'm just showing you how you can use some items from Dollar Tree and create some really simple and easy projects for gift giving. I absolutely love this tea towel, and I thought it would make a perfect gift for the gnome lover in your life. So now I'm going to be gluing one side panel together. Now I should have ironed this first. I do end up ironing the wrinkles out. It is a gift, so you want to make sure it looks nice. And then just continue to glue that one edge, leaving the other side open. All right, and now we're gonna stuff it full with some fiberfill. I like to use pillows from Walmart. It's really cheap fiberfill to get. And then once you've got it filled up the way you want, you're gonna glue the other edge together. And there you have a really quick and easy pillow and a beautiful gift for anyone to enjoy. If you're new to my channel, I want to say welcome, and I'd love for you to join my community by tapping on the subscribe button along with the bell to keep up to date with everything I have to share. I just love how this little pillow turned out. I think it is really, really nice and cute, and just have to put it in the dryer on fluff to clean it. Don't use any heat because you did use hot glue. Dollar Tree has come out with some really fun gnome products this year for the holiday season. I have found this mug and I'm going to stuff it full with some treats. And to add to that, we're going to make a really simple and easy sock gnome using socks from Dollar Tree. I have a kid's white ankle sock along with this kind of a fun little Scandinavian style sock. And I'm going to take one of those white socks and fill it up with some pebbles. I got these pebbles from Dollar Tree. Just going to partially fill the bottom. I'm now going to add the fiberfill that I got from Walmart. I'm going to go 3/4 of the way up. And then using a string, I'm going to tie it off. You could use an elastic, but I prefer to use some string. You're going to leave the top portion of the white sock intact. Now I'm going to be cutting the top portion of our pattern sock, and I am going to slip it over the top of our white sock. I'm just going to pull up the white portion of that sock. That's going to help keep our hat upright. I am now going to use string again to tie off the tip of our hat. So as you can see, the sock wants to roll up naturally, so I'm just going to glue that in place. That'll also help it from fraying. I have this piece of chunky yarn that I made into a beard. I had that in my stash. I'm going to glue that into place. I will list all my gnome DIYs down in my description box if you want to check out how I make all my different gnomes. I'm now going to glue the hat into place at the back side and then add some glue on the sides as well. I'm not gluing it to the beard just yet. First, you want to add your nose. I like to use wood beads. You can use a pom-pom as well. I'm just adding a bit of hot glue and I'm going to tuck it up underneath the sock. And then I'm adding a little dab of hot glue at the base, and then I'm just going to push a bit of the beard up into where the hole was, and continue to trim and glue as needed. I like to embellish the hats of my gnomes, and I thought it would be fun to use these felt words from Dollar Tree. I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue and applying it to the hat. You can use anything you'd like, or you can even just leave it plain. Now to complete our gift, we're going to just put our gnome in on top of those treats and then wrap it up with some cellophane. I like to tie it off with some baker's twine, but use anything you'd like. This makes for a fun and unique gift for a teacher or a friend or anyone, even a hostess gift. It's quick and easy to do, and I know anybody would enjoy this whimsical gift. Let me know which gnome gift is your favorite. Thank you all so much for joining me for this series. I will have the playlist down in the description box below, as well as last year's series, as well as my gnome DIY playlist, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.